Alright, new Toshiba microwave I just got. Not impressed. So I will go into the following things about it. So first off, the lock mechanism. As it says on top here, it has to be pulled to open and close it. That's great and all. My problem is closing. Doesn't catch at all, as you are seeing. So to close it, I have to push pressure from the top. It looks like a design flaw. So it's either damaged already or it's a design flaw. But there's nothing about the instructions that tell me I have to do that at all. You would just assume that you have to just pick up the lock and then hold it and then close it back. But it doesn't. Doesn't at all. Have to push it down from the top. And also too, the feet are unbalanced. So to hold this in place, I have to put something underneath the feet. Otherwise, it wobbles. I'm annoyed by this. And by the way, fun fact, I'm using one of the instructions that came with it as a footstool. So now, slide it on into there. No wobble. Not impressed.
This is my new Toshiba microwave. It came this morning. It fits perfectly in my space, and the child lock is very simple to use. And you can turn off the beep, which I absolutely love. Okay. No noise when I'm making my coffee in the morning.
I got a call that
fits in my space perfectly. Great purchase.